Welcome back to Toyota Northwest Edmonton. In today's walk-around video, we're looking at pre-owned 2021 Toyota Tacoma double cab TRD Sport that we have here in stock in white color. This body on the frame mid-size pickup truck comes with 3.5 liter V6 naturally aspirated engine and paired with automatic transmission. This powertrain produces 278 horsepower and has 6,800 pounds of towing capacity. Exterior features at the front here including hood scoop, Toyota safety sense sensors integrated into the front part of the vehicle, LED day running lights, fog lamps, block heater outlet integrated into the bumper. And we have 3M paint protection application on the hood, fenders, and the bumper in order to protect this beautiful paint from rock chips and scratches, which is really relevant to Alberta. And here on the side, we have body colored over fenders and 17-inch wheels with TRD alloy rims and mud flaps. We have 6-foot box here and exterior features on the side including body colored door handles, privacy rear window with tint, chrome Tacoma badging. We have running boards here as well. Exterior mirrors have integrated turning light in them. This is our key fob and we have keyless entry into this truck. Simply press those two lines in order to lock the truck and to unlock with your hand in the door handle, and it will be unlocked as long as the key fob is not too far from the truck. Driver's door is equipped with powered windows with auto up and down for driver and front passenger, power doors, window lock, and exterior mirror adjustment. Also speaker and bottle holders, tilted and telescopic steering wheel, and on the left side from it we have traction control off button, bed lights, automatic high beams, and 120-volt outlet at the back. I have leather wrapped steering wheel in front of me and behind the driver informational gauge cluster with the 4-inch digital display where we can find our important settings for safety features, trip information, tire pressure monitoring system, and audio settings, navigation, and other important information about the fuel and other info. Here on the steering wheel on the left side we have audio controls, voice intelligent assistant button, audio mode and audio off button, hands-free. On the right side we have driver informational gauge cluster controls right here, and our adaptive cruise control switch placed behind the steering wheel. We have front sonar sensor buttons here and a lane departure alert. Moving to the center of the dash, we have our air vents and a Toyota multimedia touchscreen with the Bluetooth. And also navigation comes with this truck. Home screen could be customized. And here's our menu. We also have Sirius XM and HD radio here available. Down below we have a push button start, our 4-wheel drive controls, heated exterior mirrors, and dual automatic climate control with air conditioner and heated seats for the driver and the front passenger. We have front windshield de-icer and as I mentioned, air conditioner as well. Down below we have ECT power button. It's like a sport mode on our regular vehicles, just giving you that extra burst of power to pass somebody quickly or climb on the steep hill. Also we have sliding rear glass right here at the back, and it's powered. And a USB port and 12-volt connector here with storage compartment, 2 cup holders, our gear shifter with manual parking brake, storage compartment, another cup holder, and a central console with armrest and storage bin. And inside there, if you can see, there is a USB and USB-C port with light. In front of the front passenger we have glove box with the Tacoma embossed lettering, and it could be locked. We have power doors and window on the front passenger door. Overhead console including automatically dimming rear view mirror with the garage door openers. Up here we have storage for glasses, Toyota Safety Connect SOS button for emergency and roadside assistance, and here we have map lights for driver and front passenger. Sun visors have integrated mirror and lights. Here's our rear passenger area and rear doors equipped with powered windows, children's safety locks, bottle holders, and speakers. At the back of the central console, we have 2 cup holders. Then the rear seats could be folded, and we can find our manuals here in storage pockets. That seat, part of the seat could be folded as well. And another storage compartment here underneath the rear cushion, and this storage compartment could be locked. Seats in this Tacoma TRD Sport made of combination of dark and lighter gray fabric with headrests. Driver's seat is 8-way power adjustable with 2-way lumbar support. Front passenger seat is manually adjustable. Moving to the back, we have privacy rear window with tint, LED bed lights, TRD Sport badging, also mud flaps at the back as well, and here's our tail lights. This Tacoma comes with the tonneau cover, and here we have tailgate handle with Toyota badging, rear view camera, and here is our towing package with 4 and 7 pin connectors and additional lights, V6 badging on the tailgate, and underneath we have spare tire. Let's have a last look at this pre-owned 2021 Toyota Tacoma double cab TRD Sport. This body on the frame mid-size truck comes with lots of features, including 3M paint protection on the body, heated front seats, Toyota multimedia touchscreen with Bluetooth, powered sliding rear glass, tonneau cover, running boards, ECT power option, part-time 4-wheel drive, and other important features. Stop by to test drive this Tacoma today. We are located at 137 Avenue and St.Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton, the big Toyota dealership.